Yeah, I'm going to make a game that scrolls. My account, Scratch account, is Rare and please follow it. And sure, subscribe this video and like it. Now let's get started. Now I made this cat. You just get the keep the cat sprite. Rename it cat, and then duplicate both of these sprites. Press the go here, flip horizontal to make a different face. Now you make this go. If you move it here, I'll just go back. Scroll. See me. Maybe a dark. Make it just short. Make it a light grass. Okay, make this a bit tall. Looks kind of odd. 33. I don't know. I'll make it a real big size, so just doesn't see this. Then I'll maybe make a tree. Convert to bitmap. It's easier when like yellow, a bit darker to make brown. If you put bitmap, is better for this filling subdivision. Unless you want the outline to be something different, but in this case we don't. So, like a blocky tree thingy. It's kind of cool. And now we need maybe really dark grass for a bit. And then what we need now is maybe some dirt, so put yellow, brown, hopefully it's kind of brown, because I'm going to mix that actually, which is actually good. I like 1,000. It only goes, the reason is because of this stuff. Like scratch. Do you like this? The solution to that is you're gonna click costume to costume 2, so then you set size to 1,000. Because if it's a plain one, you can set size in like everything, and then you make it so then that will make the size 1,000. Back. Now that is super big. Still super duper big. Maybe 350 would be good. That's better. Maybe 400. Just go to this location. Okay. Go to 500. Size 450. Size 420. perfect. Go here. Perfect. Okay, forever. And if key left arrow, right arrow pressed, we'll actually put this here. Delete. Oops, I think it didn't come forever. If key right press, no, DX10, that's scrolling to the left, so minus. So let's see. That's perfect. It's scrolling to the left or right to the right. And then if left arrow press, it'll scroll the other side. But the costumes don't change. So yeah. Now if right arrow press, cat A, wait 0.1 seconds, duplicate that, do cat B, switch in cat A, and then again cat B. It telling me. Oh yes, this. Another. Oh, that's bad, cause. Okay, so. Direction. Okay, we did it. Made it. Stop. So what we did was we made the left right thing. So change direction. So instead of using these costumes which we don't need, you can just use these two costumes. Perfect. Finishing off for scrolling. How about we do something cool? If key set pace press try by 10. No, that's wrong. By minus 30. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, so because put away 5. Now, these totally rubbish. Repeat 10. Repeat 10. Okay, now let's try now. Oh, now I can say that's perfect. Perfect now, that's perfect. So we want to see a trick. because it's a pretty big tree. Just space to jump and explore. No. I guess is it for a video. Subscribe and like the video. So like the project because I'm sharing it now. And go to my profile. Follow. Thanks for watching.